I'm going to go all the way up to see where it hits the horizon line. And it's way over here. So I'm going to have to make my horizon line a little bit longer. And I made another vanishing point. It's a little bit higher. This is called Special Vanishing Point 1 because it's made by the drawing. Okay. Now I'm going to see where this hits each of these lines. This is a measuring line again. And I'm going to go straight across. Or as straight as I can. Kind of similar to the fence post method, but a little bit different. If you want something really straight, you can get a ruler that has like a T at the end, and the T can sit on the side of your paper. Okay. Now, why did we make this and label it? Because in case you want to keep going, you will start again right here. And you're going to connect to, from this point to the special vanishing point. And then you have a new series of lines where this hits each one. So I'm just going to do one because these are going to get really close together. But like say I wanted to do this one. You go straight across at each place where this hits the line. Okay. So this would be like bricks. It could be a checkerboard floor where they're equal distance. I mean, you have to be really precise. Mine looks a little off. Or it could be like bricks on the side of the building, or windows, or bricks with windows. And they would be equally spaced in perspective going towards the vanishing point. You could turn this over on its side if it was a building. This is supposed to be a floor. So like if you had a kitchen with a checkerboard floor, that would be how the floor would look in perspective using a 1-point perspective grid. I'm going to stop here.